Welcome to ColdBrew Finance's U.S. end-of-day recap, covering market movements in indexes, sectors, and technology, as well as crypto, currencies, and commodities. Today's broadcast is for Thursday, April 2nd, 2026. Let's get started. Kicking things off, I'm Max Proffitt. Key indexes were mixed today. The S&P 500 index edged up, closing at 6,581.56, gaining 6.23 points. Meanwhile, the Dow 30 index slipped by 61.7 points to 46,504.68. The Nasdaq Composite Index saw a modest rise, closing at 21,879.18 with an increase of 38.23 points. In terms of market breadth, the S&P 500 saw more advancers than decliners, with 295 stocks rising and 194 falling. The Dow 30 had a similar pattern with 17 advances compared to 13 declines. Interestingly, the Nasdaq Composite showed strong breadth, with 1,675 issues advancing, notably higher than decliners. Looking at returns, the Nasdaq Composite posted a week-to-date total return of 4.44%, leading the pack. The S&P 500 and Russell 2000 also recorded positive week-to-date returns of 3.34% and 3.28%, respectively. These figures indicate a recovering trend despite year-to-date losses. Top-performing sectors were real estate and technology. Real estate saw a near 1.4% jump, closing at 264.78, marking 4 consecutive days up. The technology sector also rose, gaining 0.72% to settle at 5,254.74, despite a prevailing negative trend. Among the worst performers was the Consumer Cyclical sector, dropping 1.4% to close at 1,738.3. The healthcare and industrial sectors also closed lower. Their current trends reflect ongoing struggles in these areas of the market. Norway and Poland led the best-performing global markets, with gains of 0.98% and 0.79% respectively. Both the Norway and Poland ETFs are showing very strong positive trends, with Poland experiencing volatility over the last few sessions. Evaluating returns, Norway's ETF led with a significant year-to-date return of 28.08%. Finland and Belgium also posted impressive figures. Finland's monthly return is 2.39%, while Belgium boasts a week-to-date return over 5.7%. These European markets are standing strong amid global fluctuations. In the technology sector, Apple closed 0.24 points higher at 255.87, marking 3 consecutive days of gains amid a mixed negative trend. Alphabet decreased by 0.44 to 294.46 and is in a strong negative trend. Amazon slid 0.80 to 209.77, displaying a very strong negative trend. Meta Platforms dropped 4.77, closing at 574.46 in a very strong negative trend. Nvidia rose 1.64 to 177.39, marking its 3rd day of gains while strongly trending negatively overall.
Checking out crypto, I'm Timothee Satoshi. Bitcoin is currently at 67,009.37, dropping by 1,102.98, signaling a very strong negative trend with a downward move for the 2nd day. Ethereum is down by a significant 3.2%, trading at 2,069.69, also in a strong negative trend. BNB has taken a sharp dip, losing 4.4% to 583.62, breaking downward from a sideways trend after 3 days. Solana shows a pronounced downward movement of 2.4% to 79.18, breaking out after 5 days of flat pricing. Meanwhile, Dogecoin dipped 1.9% to 0.0904, maintaining a negative trend, remaining flat for a week. In the realm of crypto returns, Bitcoin has a weekly gain nearing 1.6%, despite a negative monthly return of 1.78%. Ethereum shows similar volatility, gaining 4.4% weekly, yet falling 3% year to date. BNB exhibits heightened downward volatility with a monthly loss of 5.39%. Solana has faced a substantial year-to-date decline at 36.38%. Dogecoin stays mostly stable week on week with a modest gain, though its monthly and year-to-date losses trend around 2% and 22.88% respectively.
For a look at foreign exchange, I'm Victoria Cashmore. The US dollar is currently strengthening against the euro at 0.8665, up by 0.0039, showing a mixed positive trend over the last few days. Moving to the US dollar against the British pound, it stands at 0.7561, reflecting a stronger upward momentum, increasing by 0.0046. The US dollar against the Japanese yen shows a considerable rise of 0.7930 to 159.5680, marking 2 consecutive days of gains and a very strong positive trend. Meanwhile, against the Swiss franc, the dollar trades at 0.7986, a climb of 0.0049, experiencing strong growth. Lastly, the US dollar against the Australian dollar is showing modest gains at 1.4468, with an increase of 0.0036, hinting at a mixed positive trend.
I'm Max Proffitt, along with our AI hosts, Timothee, Satoshi, and Victoria Cashmore. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. ColdBrew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check in weekdays after 4 p.m. New York time for daily market reports with in-depth stock, index, sector, crypto, currency, and commodity coverage. Thanks for watching.